Hey everyone, welcome back. Does Up Bank work fine on mobile data but completely fails on Wi Fi? Just spins or shows a connection error? Here's the fix from your iPhone settings. First, go to your settings app and then tap Wi Fi. Find your connected network at the top with the blue check mark and then tap the little letter I circle next to it. Then tap Forget this network and confirm. Now, toggle the Wi Fi off at the very top. Wait for about 10 seconds and then turn it back on. Your network will reappear. Tap on it and then reconnect fresh. This clears the broken session that was blocking up secure banking connection. After reconnecting, try the up app again. If it still fails specifically on this Wi Fi, go to your settings, then go to General. Scroll down to VPN and device management and confirm no VPN is active. Banking apps including Up can fail silently when routed through a VPN address. Some corporate or university Wi-Fi networks also block the Secure Ports Up app relies on if you're on a restricted network, switch to mobile data or your home Wi-Fi for banking and that's it. All you've got to do is go to settings, Wi-Fi, forget and reconnect fresh, check for active VPN, up connects on Wi-Fi and that's it. Switch to mobile data if on a restricted network, subscribe.